to Jen's 3L Club again. Today we're going to learn some useful words about weather. How to describe the weather. It is spring now and the weather can be very tricky in North America, especially here in Canada. Last week it was sunny and then it got to rainy, and then now the weather forecast says it's gonna snow even this week. So it's really complicated, but as weather will be one of the most useful expressions in our daily lives, let's jump right to it. tien, 天气易气，天气，天气，天气 means weather. As we learned about 天 before, like 星期天, right? Sunday, 星期天. So 七迎晴了昂朗朗晴朗晴朗晴朗 means sunny. It's sunny. 晴朗的我多一雨雨多雨的多雨的多雨的 means rainy 多雨的多 means a lot 雨 means rain 的 is just the Chinese character for adjectives to add at the back of words to make it adjective 多雨的 as you will see more later in the below words 多的我多云的多云的多云的多云的 means cloudy 云 means cloud so cloudy 多云的多雨的 much rain much cloud 多雨的多云的阴天阴天 means cloudy, gloomy. 阴天 the reason why it is 阴天 is like dark and gloomy. It's because it's too much cloud, right? So actually 多云的 it has the similar meaning of 阴天 they both can be used to describe the weather. It's cloudy 多云的阴天西一二下西雪的 this is a neutral tone 的下雪的 means snowy 下雪的 snowy 下雪 means snow 下雪 here snow 的我多雾多雾的 means foggy and 雾 means fog so 云 cloud 雨 rain 晴朗 sunny so let's all read it together 天气晴朗多雨的多云的阴天下雪的多雾的 So that's it. I hope you learned them and found them useful. Now let's take a quick quiz. Just look out the window and see what the weather is like outside and try to use this word that we just learned, whether it is 多雨的多云的多雾的下雪的 or 晴朗 So yeah, the weather words can be so useful that you can even, say it and try to practice it every day, right? And I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do that and don't forget to turn on the bell to get further notifications. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.